It's recording now. You could do the string thing. First, her right arm gets excited.
Concentrate.
She focuses. And then she does that.
Yes.
That's what happens.
Try it again.
So, she might be a little too excited now to do it. You see her kicking?
Concentrate.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath. Bring it in.
And she comes in. She's done this like half a dozen times.
One more time. One more time.
She keeps touching it?
Mm-hmm.
That's wild.
I'm not moving it.
I can't tell from where I am whether she's touching it, that's all. Hi.
You're distracted her.
Say hi, Zadie. Hi, Graham. Say see you soon. Unless I've already seen you by the time you see this. Okay. Zoom back out.
Do it again. Do it again.
Right arm gets excited. And takes a deep breath, concentrates, and brings it in.
Come on, come on.
See? She does that every time. That's our girl. Bye.